In today's Your Health Matters, if you or maybe someone you love have missing teeth or chronic bad breath, you could have a very serious health problem called periodontal disease. And here to talk about some treatment options for you is Dr. Sarah Vizcarra. She is the founder here at Pinnacle Peak Family Dentistry. And periodontal disease, you were sharing with me, it's such a serious issue. What is it and what are some of the symptoms?
Yes, so periodontal disease affects 70% of the U.S. population, Susan. And it is the #1 reason for tooth loss, as well as the #1 reason for bad breath or halitosis. The signs and symptoms that we look for are obviously bleeding gums, loose teeth. We're looking for, yucky mouth, increased pocketing in the mouth. When you see the dental professionals and they tell you your pockets are more than a 4mm pocket, that is some serious stuff.
I mean, we're talking about millions of people here,
Yes.
Dr. Sarah, who have this. And I know here at Pinnacle Peak Family Dentistry, you offer options for people to get rid of periodontal disease. Talk about some of those.
We do. The gold standard when we find periodontal disease is really a deep cleaning, and those patients really need to be in a really strict protocol. They don't require just a twice a year clean, they require a little more often cleaning, sometimes every 3 to 4 months. So 3 to 4 times a year cleanings is what's usually indicated for those patients. We use the latest and greatest technologies in the market. We have tons of lasers, so we do a lot of laser dentistry to treat periodontal disease, and we have an amazing team of hygienists that know what they're doing.
Absolutely. One of those advanced treatments that you were talking about is Bioclear. This is new. It's revolutionary.
Yes.
What is Bioclear and what are the benefits?
So Bioclear does not necessarily treat periodontal disease, but is basically sort of coming back to restoring what periodontal disease has done to the teeth and to the mouth. Bioclear comes into place when we see receding gums, when we see chipped teeth, or when we see black triangles. Black triangles are when the gum has receded and the bone has receded, and now we have a hole, think of a hole, right at the gum line. Those are called embrasures. I know many people probably don't know that word, but if you smile nice and big and you see a black hole right at the gum line, you have a black triangle.
Black triangle, my goodness. You were saying look in the mirror because it's very visible what's going on.
Yes.
And I also heard you are one of the only Bioclear certified practitioners in the Valley. What does that mean?
It means I've done a lot of homework.
You've done a lot of, you know what you're talking about.
A lot of classes,
Yes.
a lot of studying, a lot of, traveling to get to these certifications. And there's a whole process as you have become a certified Bioclear clinician.
Yes, and those black triangles that you were talking about, that's a part of that periodontal disease effect and symptom. What are we talking about long term if you ignore this health-wise?
So long term, and what we haven't said is what the inflammatory response of the whole body is with periodontal disease. Remember, periodontal disease starts with bacteria and plaque. As the bacteria accumulates in the mouth and it spreads throughout your body, as you swallow it, it goes into your heart, your liver, your kidneys, and your body's fighting this inflammation in your whole entire system. And it has been linked, believe it or not, to diabetes, high blood pressure, strokes, and most recent research has shown us that is linked to dementia, memory loss, and pancreatic cancer.
It's scary.
So
It's scary. Don't put off your dentist appointments. That's what we're telling
No.
you. Dr. Sarah, thank you so much. We appreciate you. And here is a special offer. The first 12 new patients who mention Sonoran Living get an exclusive 50% discount on a complete exam and full set of x-rays. That's a savings of $235, and dental cleanings are not included. Pinnacle Peak Family Dentistry is located at 10465 East Pinnacle Peak Parkway, Suite 101 in Scottsdale. To book an appointment, call 480-473-8920 or visit ppfdental.com.